Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to save hours by not rebuilding the same projects? In this video, I'll show you how to create reusable templates and understand their permissions on ClickUp's free plan. First, build out your perfect project, list, or task structure. Include all the tasks, custom fields, and due dates you always use. Once it's ready, click the three-dot menu at the top of that view and select Save as Template. Give it a clear name, like Client Onboarding or Product Launch Checklist. To use it, click plus New in your spacer folder, then choose from Template. Select your saved template, and it will create a perfect copy with all the structure already in place. Now, about permissions. On the free plan, any template you save in a space is automatically available to everyone in that space. If you want to control access, here's the workaround. Save the template inside a specific folder instead. Then, use folder permissions to control which team members can view or edit that folder, thereby controlling who can use the template. And that's it. Reusable templates save you from repetitive setup, and with smart use of spaces and folders, you can manage who uses them. If you create a useful template, let me know what it's for in the comments. See you in the next one.